everyone. So today is Tuesday, our science. So I'm your teacher again, Teacher Eden. At we are on our fourth quarter and we are on our last week. Week 5. Our last topic is safety from weather disturbance. So listen very carefully as I discuss to you the safety from weather disturbance. Okay? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so weather is the condition of Earth's atmosphere on any given day, place, and time. So weather conditions affect most, if not all, human activities. So there are so many kinds of weather. Okay. This is the sunny or fair or sunny. When the sun is up shining and the sky is clear that you see in the picture. Okay, that's the sun. The children are biking. Okay. So this is the cloudy. So the cloudy is when the sun is partly or totally hidden in the clouds and there is a threat of rain. Okay? That is the cloudy. This is the rainy. So the rainy is when dark clouds form and bring forth rain. Okay, that's the rainy. That's rain. Okay, this is the stormy. The stormy is when the heavy rains form accompanied by strong winds. The sky is darkened by clouds and there is the possibility of experiencing the thunder and lightning. Floods may come during the stormy weather and especially in low-lying areas. This is the windy. A windy is when the wind blows strongly, affecting trees and plants. Okay, so what's the kinds of weather? The sunny, the cloudy, the rainy, stormy, and the windy. Okay, very good. So human activities are affected by the kind of weather. Outdoor activities like sports and picnics are good during fair or sunny weather. But in all the other kinds of weather, people prefer to stay at home and do indoor activities. The rainy season is good for planting, but when rains become heavy, plants may get damaged. Okay, so there are some safety measures during stormy and windy weather. Okay, so the Boy Scout motto, be prepared, comes handy when we are to make sure the weather does not catch us unprepared. Okay? So, we must always be alert and update on weather conditions as these are announced by the government authorities. Even before these are announced by even before a typhoon enters the Philippine area of responsibility, once we hear that a certain typhoon is there in the Philippines, we must already get ourselves and our home, farms, and pets ready. Home, as learned in earlier lesson, is the best place to be in, especially if homes is not located in a flood-prone area. Actually, since we need to protect ourselves not just from stormy and windy weather, but also from rainy weather and sight of clouds beginning to darken and thickened must already serve as the warning for us to seek ways to stay dry and safe. Okay, so there are 5 rules of weather safety. So listen very carefully, children. Rule number 1, never get caught in the rain without umbrella, a raincoat or a waterproof jacket with hood. Make any of these gears a mainstay in your bag. Rule number 2. Home is usually the safest place for shelter from the storm, wind, and rain. Rule number 3. Listen to announcements on possible class suspensions made through the media or cell phones. Rule number 4. Make it a habit to observe the sky for signs of weather that is coming up for the day. Rule number 5. Help your parents prepare survival kits for all family members. Okay. So that's the 5 rules of the weather safety. Okay? Listen as I unto you So let's leave it. The weather changes on often. It is not permanent, but behind the clouds the sun still shines. This is also true in life. When problem comes, they may pour, but we must not forget that there is always hope of brighter tomorrow. So hang on amidst problems to meet the sunny days ahead. So don't forget that, children. Okay? Okay, do you understand our lesson, children? Okay. If you have questions regarding to our lesson, feel free to chat me on my messenger. Thank you for your